Hi, my name is Mailmerge, and today I will teach you how to solve a ICT exam ICT exam part of mailmerge. I use as an example October-November 2021 paper. This is practical paper 2. So let's start with mailmerge. So first, you will need with these sources. We will need these sources will be given to you in the start of the exam. So it's important you download them to use them. Then I will scroll down to page. Well, let's try to manage part. Okay, so we are here. As I was saying, you will need to use source files that will be given at the start of your exam. In this case, you will need to use from the list N2102 letter.rtf. This will be your master document, so you will need to edit this file. And then we have M2102 records.csv as our source data. As right, I have them open in the moment. I have here M2102 records as our source data, and as well you can see the part of or main. Okay, first to start with our mailmerge, we'll need to go for this part of work, that mailmerge. Well, as right, this will be the space you will use today. You will need to click here. It says to start mailmerge. So we will give to step by step. For next part, we will need to go to step 3 in this case. We'll click here on submit to communicate the document with our source data. Here is okay, we have here, so then we will require to put this as access here. We'll click on accept, and as well we will have our mailmerge part or mailmerge. Now with our mailmerge insert, as right as we can insert down all the parts as right. For example, here the document is specifying us to put in this specific space the parts of mailmerge. So it's important. Respect the way they were on our original documents. So as right simple in this way, we can add them parts. This will be our last name or first name, that's right. Let me check. Yep. this could be our last name. Then, so then now we will need to add. Well, we need to spare all the spaces. Remember, Cambridge is thinking that we will respect our spaces between them. Like as an example, they were pasted, so they can be like that. As why we'll replace this with at one. This okay. This will no. This will no. This is not here. This could be at 2. Finally, this will be at 3. Remember, do this part of separating all because, well, it will be correct if it's not correct correctly separate. So postcode is here. Postcode is here. Now then, we were going so okay. Now in this part as well, we will need to repeat TTL and LN. That as right where title and LN. Remember separate this part from this, and well, it will be fun like that. Now we will need to job. We will need to replace it by job. Depth. We will need to replace it as right back with department. And finally, in my part, we'll need to replace this by, let me check on our paper, line manager. It's important to check in every part that you replace everything needs to be replaced by its normal one. Oh, wait, well, to be fine, the document it will be like that. So start like we'll replace like starting. So salary, and well, as right for this will be the part of replacement. Okay, so finally, as well as putting these parts, we are done with the first. As right here, you can see this different part of the document that, well, it functions as well. So you can see it you can prove it. But as well, in this case, we already do this, and now it's Cambridge is asking us to change the part of document that refers to our candidate number. Candidate name. In my case, William Monroe. Okay, so now that we are done with that, Cambridge is always asking us to change to enter or Well, to enter name, enter number and candidate name. Not only for that, not only for that part, we'll need to always insert a well this well case or candidate name. Or center number in center. As well, I don't have any candidate number or center number in this, so I will only use like 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and I will use as a candidate number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we are done with this, well, okay, now now that we already put the data that Cambridge is asking for us, we always need to like do this exercise from set an automatic filter to select recruits where the salary is 180,000 or more. That's right. Wait, we for doing this, we always need to click on edit list of destination. Then we have to select space of salary. Well, no space of salary, no filter. So salary, we need to take it as major or equal than. We have to take it as 18,000. Now that we already put this, we put a accept, but well, before give it on accept, Cambridge is asking us to take a screenshot and put it on our evidence document to set to like give an evidence that it is a right. So for this, we only need to record. As we'll save this on my I will save this on my images. Evidence 8. I just well. Then we have to click it on accept, and well, as right and normal, we will need to create an evidence document to put all the evidence, and well, it will be like for in the normal in the real exam, as well on an exam to prove you will always need to do an evidence documenting that you put all screenshots, all the tasks that Cambridge is asking to you, like in this case that is asking you for a screenshot. But as well, we will have completed that. Well, as final part of doing this, we will need to as Campus is telling us to finish this part, we'll need to finish and merge. So this will be the end, as right of this part. So printers of mailmerge and as well, it's asking us to, well, click here on finish and combine. Well, print documents, all accept. This could be the end of IGCSE mailmerge part. Well, as well here in this, we'll need to take care or name center number and candidate number appear on every page of our evidence document. And well, thanks for watching.